welcome to Car Vibes. Today we are taking a close look at the 2025 Jaguar XK120, a modern reinterpretation of one of the most legendary cars in Jaguar's history. The original XK120 from the late 1940s was the fastest production car of its time, an icon of elegance, style, and performance. For 2025, Jaguar brings it back to life with a blend of heritage design and cutting-edge technology, delivering a car that honors its past while competing at the top end of today's luxury sports car market. From the exterior, the 2025 Jaguar XK120 is a true statement piece. Jaguar is given a design that immediately reminds you of the flowing curves of the original, but with modern refinements that make it aggressive, sleek, and futuristic. The long bonnet, low stance, and sculpted sidelines create a profile that is both classic and athletic. At the front, slim LED matrix headlights sit neatly beside a wide oval grille, which pays tribute to the original XK120, but adds a contemporary Jaguar flourish. The hood is slightly elongated to emphasize the car's sports heritage, while vents and aerodynamic contours improve cooling and efficiency. From the side, the car sits on 20 or optional 21-inch alloy wheels, with flush door handles that maintain the clean, flowing body lines. The rear is equally striking with a sloping tail design, full-width LED taillight strip, and a dual exhaust setup that hints at the power under the hood. Every angle of the car exudes a sense of timeless elegance blended with modern muscle, making it a head-turner on the streets. Inside, the cabin of the 2025 Jaguar XK120 is an impressive mix of luxury craftsmanship and advanced technology. Jaguar has chosen premium materials such as hand-stitched leather, brushed aluminum, and sustainable wood veneers to honor the brand's tradition of fine interiors. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, with multiple adjustments, heating, ventilation, and optional massage functions. The driver-focused cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster that can be customized, giving drivers all the essential performance data at a glance. At the center of the dashboard is Jaguar's latest curved 11.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system, powered by the Pivi Pro software, offering smooth controls for navigation, audio, connectivity, and climate. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a premium Meridian surround sound system for a concert-like audio experience. Subtle ambient lighting throughout the cabin creates a luxurious atmosphere that can be tailored to the driver's mood. Space is generous for a two-seater coupe, with enough head and legroom to make long journeys comfortable, and the trunk offers practical storage for weekend getaways. Performance is where the 2025 Jaguar XK120 truly shines, staying true to its sports car DNA. Under the hood, buyers can expect a range of powertrains starting with a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six mild hybrid engine producing around 380 horsepower, offering strong acceleration and impressive efficiency. For enthusiasts craving more power, Jaguar offers a supercharged 5.0-liter V8 that delivers over 500 horsepower, capable of launching the car from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. Power is sent to the rear wheels as standard, but an all-wheel drive option is also available for improved grip and handling in various conditions. The 8-speed automatic transmission provides seamless shifts, while paddle shifters give drivers full control when desired. The chassis has been engineered with lightweight aluminum construction, giving it both rigidity and agility on the road. Adaptive suspension and advanced driving modes allow the car to shift character from a comfortable Grand Tourer to a sharp sports car with the press of a button. Steering feedback is precise, and the braking system is strong and confidence-inspiring, ensuring the car performs as well on twisty roads as it does on open highways. Jaguar has also equipped the XK120 with modern safety and driver assistance features. Standard systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and automatic emergency braking. These features make it not just a powerful sports car, but also a safe and practical option for daily use. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Jaguar XK120 sits in the premium luxury sports car segment. The starting price is expected to be around $95,000 for the entry-level inline-six variant, while the V8 models can go well beyond $120,000 depending on options and trims. Considering its blend of heritage design, luxury, and performance, Jaguar positions the XK120 as a competitor to cars like the Porsche 911, Aston Martin Vantage, and Mercedes-AMG GT. The 2025 Jaguar XK120 manages to bring back the soul of the legendary nameplate with modern elegance, high performance, and unmistakable style. It is a car designed not only for collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate its history, but also for new buyers who want a luxury sports car with both character and cutting-edge technology. The reborn XK120 proves that Jaguar can still create vehicles that blend heritage and innovation into a single masterpiece.